everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add your phone number in the SHEIN application. So let's start by opening our application, and from here just go ahead and tap on the Me tab at the bottom right. So we're gonna click on that one, and from here just go ahead and tap on the settings. So let's go here and then just go ahead and click on the manage my account, which is here. So let's click that, and from here you have the option to add your phone number. So you're just gonna click on that one, and then here is where you're going to put your number. So you can also change the number right here, and then they will send you a verification code. And then what you're gonna do is you have the option to also check on these if you want to receive newsletters, and if you're agreeing to receive newsletters and exclusive style tips. So once you're done, just go ahead and tap on submit right here, and then your phone number will be linked to your SHEIN account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!